The hot summer comes quietly. The temperature keeps rising. I feel stuffy and uncomfortable indoors. New folding desktop fan built in 5 turbine blades. Folding design. Soft wind feeling. Continuous cooling. Drive away the sultry summer. Wall mounted design. Multiple environments. Large-scale air supply. Third gear wind regulation. Equipped with brushless motor. The air duct is stable. The wind is strong and visible. Put it on the bedside table without taking up space. Turn on light noise without disturbing sleep. Use low power consumption. Give you fresh every day. Multiple colors available.